Nice. Alright, so wave number 2 has started. I usually don't get AM, so...
Test alert. Test alert.
This test of the New Hampshire emergency alert system. New Hampshire Homeland Security and Emergency Management has activated the New Hampshire emergency alert system in order to conduct a required monthly test. This concludes this test of the New Hampshire emergency alert system.
Oh, 89-1.
To conduct a required monthly test. This concludes this test of the New Hampshire emergency alert system.
That's what's supposed to happen, Dad. The header's supposed to shut the radio off, and whenever one of those BITCH tests happen, it doesn't usually shut off.